March 14th, which was just last week, OpenAI, the company known for ChatGPT, has released GPT-4, which is the successor to GPT 3.5, the language model that was used in ChatGPT, which was released in November 2022. GPT 3.5 was already a huge leap forward in AI technology, but GPT-4 takes it even further. So, here are some of the key differences between the two models and how you can use GPT-4. Firstly, GPT-4 has a much larger neural network than its predecessor. While GPT 3.5 had 175 billion parameters, GPT-4 is expected to have over 10 trillion parameters. This means that it will be able to handle even more complex tasks, generate more human-like text, and be much faster than its predecessor. Secondly, GPT-4 will be able to learn from fewer examples. GPT 3.5 required a large amount of data to be trained on, but GPT-4 will be able to learn from much smaller amounts of data. This will make it easier to develop applications that require less data to be trained on. Thirdly, GPT-4 is expected to be more accurate than its predecessor. It will be able to generate text that is even more coherent and grammatically correct, which will make it even more useful for a wide range of applications. Finally, GPT-4 is expected to be faster than GPT 3.5. This will make it possible to use it in real-time applications such as chatbots or voice assistants. So here are the differences right here, and these are just some of the differences between GPT-4 and GPT 3.5. It is clear that GPT-4 is a huge step forward in AI technology, but how can you use it right now? The best way to use GPT-4 is by getting ChatGPT Plus, which is ChatGPT's $20 a month subscription service. This service not only allows you to use GPT-4, but also allows you to use it when demand is high, has faster response times, and priority access to new features. The second way is by getting on the GPT-4 API waitlist. Now obviously, if you sign up for the waitlist, there isn't a guarantee that you will get access to the API, but if you have a strong enough reason that can convince OpenAI to allow you to use the API, then it's worth giving it a shot. So that's all you need to know about GPT-4 and the differences between it and GPT 3.5. Thanks for watching, and peace out.